high efficiency, high deliverability, highly effective self-cleaning. What you are about to see is a demonstration showing the dynamic achievement of the Hydrojet system. Bradford White's new Hydrojet Total Performance System gives the plumbing trade a strong technological advantage. It applies the laws of physics and augments the power of flowing water to create a new level of top performance. Now let's take a look at the Hydrojet system in action. A standard dip tube introduces a blue dye into the storage tank. Notice how slowly the dye enters the tank and mixes into the water. This shows low mixing capability and results in increased stacking and only an average first hour rating. This is a simulation showing water flow and mixing through the Hydrojet system's upper jet ports. These ports begin the mixing action and help to improve the Hydrojet system's efficiency. Here we see the Hydrojet system introducing dye into the tank. Notice how fast and evenly the dye is mixed. This efficiency yields up to a 10% increase in deliverability and also reduces temperature stacking. We've lengthened the standard dip tube to make it equal the Hydrojet system. Even with this added advantage, a normal dip tube provides a minimal disturbance to sediment. This lack of turbulence allows damaging sediment to accumulate. Here we demonstrate the water flow in the lower jet ports. The unique design creates turbulent action inside the Hydrojet tube. The result is counter-rotation of the water entering the tank. This helps clean sediment from the entire tank bottom. Seen here, the counter-rotation and turbulence puts sediment into suspension. Particles are prevented from settling to the bottom of the tank or building up on interior surfaces. Sediment is drawn out every time there's a call for hot water. This is, of course, more sediment than you would ever see in a Hydrojet-equipped water heater, since sediment would be reduced from the first day of operation. Here we've combined the sediment and dye demonstrations together to show you how inefficient a standard dip tube is. You see minimal sediment disturbance and poor dye distribution. Now, with the Hydrojet system, we introduce the dye with the incoming water. The exceptional mixing effect you see is a result of the two types of jet ports working together to increase water pressure and turbulence. As a result, incoming water is literally blown out into the tank. You can easily see how the Hydrojet Total Performance System takes sediment for a ride. The improved mixing, shown with the help of the blue dye, lowers temperature stratification, improves the first hour rating and deliverability, and lowers the operating cost of the water heater. With the Hydrojet Total Performance System, it is possible for a water heater to reduce and balance thermal stratification, improve the first hour rating and deliverability, greatly reduce harmful sediment buildup, improve operating efficiency, and lengthen the life of the water heater. Best of all, the Hydrojet system is standard equipment on all Bradford White Top Connect residential models. At Bradford White, we are constantly at work developing new innovations and products for the plumbing trade. The Hydrojet Total Performance System is just a preview of what's ahead for contractors and wholesalers alike. Look to Bradford White for continued support with products, promotions, and programs designed to help your business grow. Bradford White and the Hydrojet Total Performance System, engineered for the plumbing trade.